Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we truly alone? With over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each teeming with billions of stars, the odds of Earth being the only planet with life seem incredibly slim. In fact, recent discoveries, like the James Webb Telescope finding potential biosignatures on distant exoplanets, are making this question more urgent than ever. So, join me as we explore one of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. What happens if we finally find alien life? For centuries, the idea of extraterrestrial life has captivated our imaginations, filling our stories, our movies, and our dreams. It's a concept that touches the very core of our existence. Finding life beyond Earth, no matter how simple, would be more than just a scientific breakthrough. It would be a pivotal moment in human history, forcing us to reevaluate everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos. But actually making that discovery comes with a mountain of challenges. Imagine the scene. Scientists detect an unambiguous signal from an intelligent civilization, or a rover on Mars stumbles upon fossilized microbes. The first hurdle would be verification. The scientific community would need to be absolutely certain, running countless tests to rule out any possibility of contamination or misinterpretation. This process could take years, all while the biggest secret in human history hangs in the balance. Then come the ethical dilemmas. How do we respond? Do we announce it to the world immediately? The potential for mass panic, social upheaval, and exploitation is very real. Governments and international bodies would scramble to create protocols for a situation we've never faced. How do we protect a potential alien ecosystem from us? And how do we protect ourselves from it? The societal implications are staggering, touching religion, philosophy, and our very identity as a species. The nature of the discovery would drastically change our response. Let's explore a few scenarios. First, finding microbial life, say in the oceans of Europa or the sands of Mars. This would be monumental. It would prove that life is not a fluke, unique to Earth, suggesting that the universe might be filled with it. The focus would shift to studying its biology. Is it DNA-based like us, or something entirely different? This discovery would supercharge astrobiology and our search for more complex organisms. Now, what if we find something more advanced, but not intelligent? Think strange alien plants or animal-like creatures on a distant exoplanet. The challenges of study would be immense, limited to remote observation for the foreseeable future, but it would confirm that complex life can evolve elsewhere. The most world-altering scenario, of course, is contact with an intelligent civilization. Would they be biological, or perhaps an advanced form of artificial intelligence? Would they be peaceful explorers or hostile conquerors? The Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the lack of evidence for it, would finally be solved. Our entire technological and cultural trajectory would change overnight, depending entirely on the nature of that contact. This brings us to the ultimate shift in perspective. The most profound impact of discovering alien life wouldn't be technological or political. It would be philosophical. For all of human history, we have seen ourselves as the pinnacle of creation, the sole thinkers in a silent universe. Finding others, whether they are microbes or masterminds, would shatter that illusion. It would force us to see ourselves not as the center of the story, but as one small part of a much grander, cosmic narrative. Our terrestrial conflicts, our national borders, our religious and cultural divides all might seem insignificant in the face of this shared cosmic context. We would become Earthlings, a unified species looking out at the universe together. The discovery could usher in a new era of global cooperation and humility, as we grapple with our true place in the vast, populated cosmos. It would be the ultimate end of our cosmic loneliness. So, from the staggering scientific hurdles to the profound philosophical shifts, discovering alien life would be the most transformative event in human history. It could bring chaos and fear, but it could also bring unity and a new understanding of what it means to be alive. The possibilities are as endless as the universe itself. What do you think would happen? Would it be a moment of celebration or a cause for concern? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you're fascinated by the mysteries of space, be sure to check out our video on the Fermi paradox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.